Have you ever yearned to craft an authentic Italian pizza at home? Welcome to Authentic Italian Pizza, from dough to delicious, your ultimate guide to mastering Italy's legendary dish. This culinary journey reveals the secrets of creating traditional Italian pizza dough, flavorful tomato sauce, and how to select the finest toppings for an authentic taste. Firstly, we dive into the dough-making process. Begin by dissolving active dry yeast and sugar in warm water and let it froth for about 5 minutes. Mix in all-purpose flour, salt, and olive oil, forming a dough. Knead this on a floured surface until it becomes smooth and elastic. Let the dough rest in a warm place until it doubles in size. This process takes approximately 2 hours. While the dough rises, prepare the tomato sauce. Heat olive oil in a saucepan, adding minced garlic until it turns fragrant. Combine crushed tomatoes, dried oregano, salt, and pepper, simmering for 15 minutes. Allow this mixture to cool before use. When the dough has risen, punch it down and divide it into 2 balls. Roll out one ball on a floured surface into a 12-inch circle. Spread a thin layer of the cooled tomato sauce on the dough, leaving a small border around the edges. Arrange slices of fresh mozzarella cheese on top. Sprinkle with fresh basil, salt, and pepper. A drizzle of extra virgin olive oil finishes the topping. Bake in a preheated oven at the highest temperature for about 10 to 15 minutes. The crust should turn golden and the cheese should bubble. Repeat the process with the second dough ball or save it for later. Allow the pizza to cool for a few minutes before cutting into slices. Garnish with fresh basil leaves and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, serving while hot. And there you have it, an authentic Italian pizza right in your kitchen. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more culinary adventures, and share your pizza making experience in the comments below. Here's to bringing a slice of Italy into your home.